Hey guys, I'm at this property today in Eden Township, and this is one of my investor friends who's flipping this property. Just going to kind of walk you through what we did from a structural design and modification standpoint to add some living space here and open up a bearing wall. So this is a garage here. Above this garage was just an attic space. So the ceiling joist in the garage spanned 24 feet from the front wall here to the back wall. And they were 2x6s at 24 in center, which is obviously way too small. So what we did, we designed a new flooring system for this whole area. So we actually did 2x10s, 16 on center. We had to build up actually had to build this down because the front wall here, the top plate on the front wall was actually lower than the back wall here. So we had to build up 2x4s in between to create a bearing surface there. And then we ran a Paralam here all the way through from that wall. We added a column here with a footing. And then this was another little tricky part here. This existing jack, we didn't want to mess with that between these garage doors to install a footing. So what we did was we cantilevered that beam. I think it was like 12 inches or so, and then we put the column there. They did a tuck beam here so that they had a flat ceiling throughout the garage, and then it also wouldn't interfere with the garage doors here. So that's it for here. I'm going to walk through the first floor, actually open up this bearing wall here too. So this was, I think it was about a 20-foot span. We ended up designing a steel beam here, and I ended up packing out the web and then hanging these joists from it to try and tuck that beam up, or else it would have dropped down another 6 inches or so. Hardwood's getting put in. I'm just gonna walk upstairs. This is that beam here. So I'm just gonna walk upstairs and show you this added living space that they did. So they actually ended up turning this room here, this is the stairwell, bedroom, hall bath, ended up turning this into a master suite. So they opened this wall up here, and then this is that space now over top of the garage. So this was just like storage before. Now this is the whole area that they reframed the floor, and they built up their knee walls here, framed in some closets and a bathroom, and they added this huge space here, living space, which before was just, like I said, attic space. So they had us out, and we did all the structural design and for the beam downstairs, for the beam in the garage and the beam in the family room. We did all the plans for it, and this is my first time seeing it, and it actually came out really good. And they added a ton of value here, with this modification. So that's it.